This is a 100% cotton t-shirt that's been soaked in soda ash for at least 20 minutes and then spun out in the washing machine until it's just damp. It has been flipped inside out, and this is another incline, so I'm just going to randomly pick a spot. We'll go here, hold that, and we're going to twist off of that spot. I'm going to get this started. There we go. Thought that was going to go on way too long. Go ahead and tie this off just to get it started, and this is not tight. And I'm just twisting the shirt and adding sinew over it. And just ignore the dog in the background. Apparently it was the UPS guy. Alright, let's go ahead and go back to doing this. Alrighty, off to dye. Alrighty, it is at an incline of about 45 degrees, has aluminum foil liner, and this is just rain gutter that it's sitting in. The colors I'm using are lemon yellow, deep orange, oxblood red, seashell blue from Grateful Dyes, deep purple, and raven black. And everything except for the seashell blue is from Dharma. So I'm going to go ahead and lay down the ice, and then we'll get to dyeing. Alrighty, we'll let that sit and melt through, and then see where we need to go from there. Alright, it's been about 24 hours, so let's go ahead and get this rinsed out. Alright, let's take a quick look. I'll throw this in the wash and take a final look after that. Here's the front. And the back. Now this batched for 48 hours, not 24 hours like I said in the video, and that's because it's fall here, so I think the temperature is like, I don't know, 65, 68 degrees in the house, so let it batch a little longer to take care of that due to the temperature. What do you think? I think it's pretty cool. So I was going for like an explosion in space kind of thing. I think it works, actually. I prefer the results from this than if you were to do a mandala or paper airplane fold kind of thing, because for that you have those static creases running through. This, it's not there. It just looks like an explosion. And in this case, it's kind of cool. It's like branching out to something else too. Now, could I recreate that? No, I couldn't. But anyway, so I think the results are really cool on this. I don't have much else to say. It's another one of those incredibly simple little twist folds that I have decided to just keep doing videos on because the results are so good for something so easy. Let me know what you think down below. If you have other suggestions for the twist fold or something else, let me know. And until next time, thanks for watching.